Everything DiSC Worksmart is a set of targeted, facilitated learning modules available on Catalyst. Worksmart helps learners apply personalized insights from DiSC in under an hour, so they can tackle real-world challenges in the moment with confidence. In this video, we'll show you how to assign and unlock the Worksmart content for your Catalyst learners. Workplace on Catalyst can currently be assigned from either Epic or the Catalyst Administrator experience. However, access to Worksmart can only be unlocked through the Catalyst admin experience. Let's take a look at how to assign Worksmart. To give new Catalyst learners access to Worksmart, log into your Catalyst admin experience. After selecting the organization, you'll first add your learners by entering their names and email addresses, either one by one or by importing a spreadsheet full of learners. Next, you'll select both Workplace and Worksmart content to assign or unlock for the learner. Then you can review the summary before customizing your email options. To unlock Worksmart for existing Catalyst learners, just select the learner or learners and click Unlock Content. Then follow the same steps. For past DiSC learners who are not on Catalyst yet, you can use their existing report data to migrate them to Catalyst and gain access to Worksmart. This involves first upgrading existing learners to Catalyst in Epic and then adding Worksmart from the Catalyst admin experience. Follow along to see this in action. First, identify the DiSC learners that you want to upgrade to Catalyst. There are two ways to do this: search and upload. Either method will result in a list of access codes that are eligible for an upgrade to Catalyst. Once the search or upload is complete, you'll decide which access codes are getting upgraded and with which Catalyst applications. Select an organization, folder, and subfolder for the Catalyst access codes to be created. Then you'll see the results of Epic's calculations that determine the best upgrade option for your selected learners. Click Upgrade and you're done. Now that the learners have been assigned Catalyst, you can log into your Catalyst admin experience. Select the appropriate organization and you'll see the learners that you just upgraded. Select their names, click the Unlock Content button, and select Worksmart. Review your summary, customize the email if you'd like, and finalize. Don't miss out on this incredible new tool to support your learners in the workplace.